What's going on YouTube? It's your boy SliceGod, LilNoah, back with another video. I got my cousin London in the chair. Right now we just combing out the sides of his hair, lifting it off the scalp, getting it prepared to be taken down with my one guard open. Gonna take that one guard all the way around, trying to get it as even as possible. Shout out my boy Ty Lomax for the beat. This motherfucker so hard I done used it 3 times for 3 different videos. Make sure y'all bobbing y'all head as y'all learn. This how the information gonna really get to you. On the front of my cousin edge up, he got a major swirl. That's why I kinda look jagged toward the right side. After dusting them out, we finna sit in this first guideline, which is the ball guideline. He getting a mid fade, so we're gonna kind of contour this ball guideline to his head shape, but we're not gonna drop it too low. Bro, when balding out your climb, make sure you get it as bald as possible without irritating the skin. You gotta remember, a fade is a transition from light to dark, and this skin is a part of the fade. It might save you on camera, but up close and personal, we do not want to see all this stuff because that means you done already failed. Right here I'm speeding through, sitting in this second guideline with my lever open on my magic clips. I'm combing as I go to get it even as possible. Right here I'm slowing it down, showing you how I'm closing my lever just a little bit, going right under where the top of that second guideline in. And then I'm gonna close my lever a little bit more and go right up under that until that guideline is blended. At this point, this guideline blended. I'm just doing a lot of detail action. Finna work my way to the back, do the same thing, get this guideline, this second guideline as neat as possible in the back. Then I'm gonna work my way down within this guideline, just going ham, just blending, man, just blending, like step by step. Like I'm not going outside of my steps. I'm staying consistent with my steps and making sure I get it blended. When I want to be all over the place, I leave it up to my detail game, because this was going to bring it out for sure. Connecting the sides, making sure the sides connect to the back. You know, just being consistent, man. Hold on. This important. You got to grab your trimmers. You know how I set my first guideline in with my trimmers? It leave that faint guideline. So you grab them again and take that little faint line out with the trimmers, using the corners and flicking out. Now we on to our third guideline. The first guideline was the ball guideline. The second guideline was the lever open with no guard. Now we on to the third guideline, which is the lever open with the one guard on. Again, this guideline as even as possible, so we can work our way down within this guideline, closing the lever little by little until it's blended. I sound like a tape recorder saying it, but I'm just trying to make sure y'all understand exactly what I mean. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm doing this voiceover. It's 2 a.m. in the morning. I'm really super sleepy right now. That's why I'm kind of talking how I'm talking, if I'm talking a certain way. But man, the grind real, man. My little brother said I need to start dropping more. He's saying like I be dropping every week and a half or so. I need to be dropping more. So if this what I gotta do, I'ma do it. Fuck it, let's go. Back to the video, we done already went through every notch. We just detailing it at this point, hitting certain spots. We finna jump right into this 1.5 guard with the lever open, coming right out the scalp, cleaning up that ridge area. Gonna work our way all the way to the back, but I think we're just gonna deal with the sides right now. And we're gonna work our way down with this 1.5 guard, closing it little by little until it connects to that one guard that we were just working with. Dust your client off as you go to make sure you stay focused. Now I got my one guard back on, connecting that 1.5 guard to the third guideline. Basically still detailing, cleaning it up. You know I go detail crazy. Back with my lever open on my wall magic clips, taking out this last faint line. If you a beginner barber, I suggest you use a 0 guard, a half guard, or a 1/16 guard, and it depending on what clipper you using. That's why I just named 3 guards, because certain clippers have different names and stuff like that. But I'm taking out this last guideline. I really just want y'all to watch me. Like I said, I got the lever open. I might close it halfway from here and there. I just want y'all to watch me work, man. Watch me comb as I go and take my time. Sheesh, motherfucker looking real blurry. I already did this side and finished the back. Man, I ain't gonna say nothing. Like I said, Cuz got this swirl in the front, so we being careful how we go around it. I'm finna use this alcohol to get all the grease off his forehead. He had just got his hair done the day before. By my co-worker, Imani. I'm gonna put her stuff in the description just in case y'all wanna get y'all hair twisted, dreads retwisted, all that going on. But yeah, we drying it out. We just hit them with the holding spray. Gonna hit these vertical bars on both sides. Then we're gonna tack the front edge up. Use the end of the eyebrows as reference points for the vertical bars. It's usually where they stop at. Right here we starting in the middle, working our way to the right side. Make sure we getting this side established, solidified, symmetrical. Then we're gonna work our way to the left side. No need to be in a rush, take your time. This is one of the most important parts, if not the most important part. I'm working on his right side, but from how you looking at it, it's his left side. Just throwing it out there so y'all won't get confused. Don't sit up there and act like you don't see bro in the corner either. Going in with the fibers. We already got one side halfway done. Being light as possible, just trying to fill it in. Making sure it connects to the blend as well. I already hit it with the holding spray. Now I'm just re-attacking the edge up with my Mike Tyson boards, getting it that white thin ash line. Making sure we're getting it as crispy as possible. Removing any excess fibers. Doing some of all that, bro. We just trying to get this haircut to the next level, bro. That's what we do. Y'all stay focused. I ain't even talking about when cutting hair. I'm just talking about in life, period. Don't get caught up with this social media, because 99% of it cap. We already took care of the facial hair. Got them in the dough. Got everything looking even. We hitting them with this razor on the vertical bars. Finna move on to the next side. Dusting off any excess. Speed up this side because my arm was in the way. Dusting off any excess over there. Boy in the dough, he checking himself out. Trying to be too cool for the camera. He know he being recorded. Cuz funny as hell. He hurt right here. Hurt. You can see it in his face. He hurt. Yeah, sir, ski man. Stupid slice. Too precise. Super nice. You did. If you like this video, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up in the comment section. Let me know how I did on this cut. And please subscribe to my channel and like the video.